Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take free kicks in FIFA Mobile. The easiest way to train FIFA Mobile free kicks and be able to get better at them is by going into the live events section, then going into the daily training, and then from here we're going to go into the skill games such as penalties. That's different penalties, free kicks. So we're going to go into the free kick section. Here it's going to show you different boxes, and all you got to do is aim at them. And the easiest way to take a free kick is by aiming at the ball and then curving it up towards where you want to aim, or just straight down the line. So if you see my mouse, I go to the ball and I'm just going to drag it towards where I want to. And it's going to aim directly at where I aim it. If you want to curve it, you can curve it around. And that way it does like a little effect down to the left. Of course I've missed. If you want to have like a knuckleball effect, go straight. If you want to have it kind of like a knuckleball but with a curve, you go towards the position and you kind of swivel back to the position. And it does such a like a knuckleball type free kick. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.